Nashville designer Manuel has helped dress just about everyone in country music, plus a few non-country acts like Elvis, the Beatles, and the Grateful Dead. Now he's looking to bring his studio into the 21st century and has started a new initiative to raise funds through a more personal avenue than through banks or corporate investors. We had a chance to catch up with Manuel to talk about his new vision.
We're here with Manuel today, and you know his clothing well. You've seen it on the awards shows. You've seen it on the stars. How are you?
I am just fine, just enjoying the day. Finally, we have good weather. And we are here just to, this time, talking to you. I am having difficulties with people not getting what I'm talking about. Could it be my accent?
No, we love your accent. We're going to make sure they understand today what you're talking about. I am so excited because you have this new endeavor. New Vision is actually what it's called. Right. And you're going to have a new line of clothing that is for the common man, so to speak. Tell us a little bit about what you're doing.
Well, we are going to take the opportunity of the new technology, just like they use in other countries now, and it's being sold to America for nothing. Well, what we're going to do is going to be, and I promise you, maybe 10 times the quality, and we're going to beat them in the pricing. A lot of people, a lot of manufacturers says, Manuel, that's impossible. I said, it's not. Everything, when we're set to do something, we can do it. And I've been looking at all the interns that come year after year to learn from me. And they have no place to go. I'm always trying to get them a job here and there. And some of my ex-assistants really work with great companies like Dollar General, like Laura Ashley, a lot of companies. But we have a lot of designers coming out of college. But there is no place where they can be hired.
So you're going to give them opportunity and a place to get a job because you're going to hire inside America.
I'm going to co-op with them, put our brains together, and turn that dollar that the people gives us, turn it into probably $1 million. And that's my dream. I think we can do it, and we can bring back textiles to America, and we can create jobs for so many people. Because if you create a job for a designer, then you have about, I don't want to say it, but couple of hundred people hired after that. And that's my ambition. I said to do this because, I do what I always dreamt in my life to do, and I enjoy it, and I get paid for it, and I have no complaints. But in order to help these people, you need to have actually America at full, understand it, and give us something to start that.
Right.
I am not going to spend the money that I have had because this is for my family. I want to use this money that I'm trying to get to give back to America a set of great designers and a lot of jobs for people. You have no idea how many jobs we lost in the last 30 years.
Oh, yeah.
We have lots of technology. What do we do with it? We take it somewhere.
Right, somewhere else.
Somebody else making our cars, somebody's making our washing machines, somebody's making everything. Nothing works well because our entrepreneurs, and they have all the right to be and to do, they go and make millions of dollars, but they kill about hundreds and thousands of
jobs right here at home.
Yes, and this is what is. We need to turn this around.
Absolutely. So you're going to turn it around with the new vision, and basically people out there can go to the website, they can purchase or donate money, contribute, and in return they get a scarf, they get different levels. Is that correct?
Yes, of course. Yeah, I wanted to know that at least they get a little thank you note. I mean, they don't get their money back, and but I am going to give their money back in another form. I'm going to give them back pride. I'm giving back employment. I'm giving America something that we need to gain back, to regain, to reinvent.
So kick this off, and do we know exactly what maybe some of the clothing is going to look like? Or
I could show you some of the items that I have in mind, and I have made some of them, But this is a line that I intended to do only for my retail business. But together with those students that I see every day, I see them right here in my place all the time since I have them here. I feel the power that we can create massive amounts of the same articles and probably sell them at a third of a price, you know.
I love that. So where do people go? Do they go to Indigo.com?
Yes, they do. They go there, and I don't know how to even say it. You know, this actually, again, you help me with that. Just do the best you can. Give us money. That's all what we need. We need money to start a new business that is going to thank you back. Just give us a little time.
And create open jobs for people in America and basically design lines of clothing that we can all purchase and wear.
Yes, back to America. The America that is proud. You know, that you buy a thing for 10 cents, but you can claim your 10 cents if it's not well done.
Right.
That's what I'm trying to do.
If you want to help Manuel achieve his new vision and get some cool gear at the same time, head on over to our Facebook page for more info. We still have lots more ahead, so make sure you stay right there. We've got a hot new artist celebrating the release of her debut album coming up next. We'll be right back.
I'm Nicolette, and my CD release party will be coming up next on Inside Music Row. Don't go anywhere.